In the American Southwest, the sun feels stronger than ever. Streets seem to melt, and the air is hard to breathe. Over 50 million people face dangerous heat alerts, with hospitals bracing for a surge in heat stroke cases. This isn't a normal summer. It's a serious challenge that demands smart new solutions. Beneath every step, smart pavements keep the ground cool and the people comfortable. From the rooftops, drones rise, unfolding vast canopies to shield the streets below. Powered by the sun, cooled by innovation, every drone is a guardian against the heat. In shaded oases, cool water flows and health stations keep watch over every citizen. At the heart of the system, AI orchestrates every move, tracking heat, protecting lives. From sky to street, technology unites, cooling pavements, shading drones, the city alive. As the sun sets, the city stands safe. CoolGrid, smart, flexible, life-saving.